Welcome to Best Choice. The best PlayStation VR is probably one of the most immersive and accessible virtual reality systems available today, offering a gateway into incredible digital worlds that blur the lines between gaming and reality, and it's time to dive deep into what makes this headset a must-have for any serious gamer looking to elevate their experience beyond the traditional screen. Number 5. PlayStation VR. Step into a new dimension of gaming with PlayStation VR. Experience unexpected adventures designed with gamers like you in mind. Getting started is simple. Just connect the headset and camera to your PlayStation 4 system. It's designed for an easy, plug-and-play experience. Lose yourself in a virtual world with our advanced display. A 5.7-inch OLED screen running at up to 120 frames per second delivers incredibly smooth visuals. Our 3D audio technology brings games to life. You'll be able to hear sounds from all directions, immersing you completely in the game's environment. Unbox a complete VR experience. It includes the headset, processor unit, all necessary cables, stereo headphones, and even a demo disc to get you playing right away. What we like. Experience gaming like never before with this VR headset. Its advanced display and 3D audio create an immersive world. If you are looking for a straightforward entry into VR gaming with excellent visuals and sound, this is a great choice. What people say. The headset is comfortable to wear for extended periods, thanks to its lightweight design and adjustable straps. The OLED display provides vibrant colors and deep blacks, resulting in an immersive visual experience. The 360-degree tracking allows for seamless movement within virtual environments, enhancing gameplay realism. Number 4. RGB Light Enhanced Dual Charging Station. Introducing the ultimate charging solution for your PSVR 2 controllers. Keep your devices powered up and ready for action. This enhanced dual charging station allows you to charge 2 controllers simultaneously. Get back to your gaming faster with its high-speed capabilities. Experience rapid charging with a full charge in just 1.5 hours. It also features safe protection to ensure your controllers are always protected. Customize your setup with 9 dynamic RGB lighting modes. Match your mood or your gaming rig with vibrant, customizable colors. Its smart, space-saving design keeps your gaming area tidy and organized. No more tangled wires or cluttered desks. What we like. Keep your controllers powered up and your gaming station looking sharp. This accessory offers fast charging and customizable lighting. If you want to organize your space and ensure your controllers are always ready for action with a stylish flair, this charging station is for you. What people say. The headset is comfortable to wear for extended periods, with adjustable straps and a soft facial interface. The display offers a crisp and clear image, with vibrant colors and minimal screen door effect, making virtual worlds truly immersive. Setup is straightforward, and the tracking is accurate and responsive, allowing for smooth and natural movements within games. Number 3. PlayStation VR Mega Blood Plus Truth Everybody's Golf Bundle. Introducing the PlayStation VR Mega Blood Plus Truth Everybody's Golf Bundle. Get ready for an immersive gaming experience. This bundle includes the VR headset, camera, and Move controllers. It also comes with a demo disc and 2 exciting games. Step into the shoes of an elite soldier in Blood and Truth. Battle through London's underworld on your deadliest mission yet to save your family. Experience everybody's golf like never before. This is the most immersive golf simulation you've ever played. With this bundle, you'll have everything you need for thrilling virtual reality adventures. Dive into action and onto the green. What we like. Dive straight into action with this all-in-one bundle. It comes with the headset, camera, motion controllers, and exciting games. If you're looking for a complete VR package with everything you need to start playing immersive titles like Blood and Truth and Everybody's Golf right away, this bundle is perfect. What people say. The headset itself is comfortable and adjustable, making it suitable for extended play sessions. The display is crisp and clear, offering an immersive visual experience with vibrant colors and sharp details. Setup is straightforward and the tracking is accurate, providing a seamless and responsive virtual reality experience. Number 2. PlayStation VR, renewed. Experience PlayStation VR that's been tested and certified to look and work like new. It includes all accessories and a minimum 90-day warranty, ensuring a great experience right out of the box. This package includes the headset, processor unit, all necessary cables, stereo headphones, and even a demo disc. You'll have everything you need to dive into new virtual worlds. Designed with gamers in mind, it opens up a new world of unexpected gaming experiences. Prepare to be amazed by what you can do. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply connect the headset and your PlayStation camera to your PS4 system and you're ready to play. Immerse yourself with a 5.7-inch OLED display running at up to 120 frames per second. Enjoy seamless visuals that keep you fully connected to the virtual world. Experience immersive 3D audio that lets you pinpoint sounds from any direction. This helps you judge distance and direction just like in real life. Engineered for balance and comfort, the headset is fully adjustable. Stay focused on exploring new gaming worlds without distraction. What we like. Get a high-quality VR experience at a great value. This renewed headset is tested to work like new and includes all accessories. If you are a gamer seeking an immersive VR experience with a comfortable fit and a comprehensive package, but want to save some money, this refurbished option is ideal. What people say. The headset is comfortable and lightweight, making it easy to wear for extended periods. The display is sharp and vibrant, with excellent color reproduction and minimal screen door effect. The tracking is accurate and responsive, allowing for smooth and immersive gameplay. Number 1. Skywin PSVR Replacement Light Shield and Silicone Skin. Engineered specifically for your PSVR headset, this accessory ensures a perfect fit. It's designed to enhance your immersive gaming experience. Crafted from soft, comfortable silicone, this face cover offers ultimate comfort. It provides maximum protection and durability for your VR accessories. Safeguard your headset from scratches, bumps, and daily wear and tear. It maintains the pristine condition of your device for long-lasting use. Immerse yourself fully in the virtual world as this accessory effectively blocks unwanted external light. Enjoy an uninterrupted gaming experience. Featuring a secure buckle, installation is simple and ensures it stays firmly in place. Enjoy intense gaming sessions without worry. What we like. Enhance your VR immersion by blocking out distractions. This accessory provides a comfortable and secure fit, ensuring you stay focused on your game. If you often find external light interfering with your virtual reality experience and want a comfortable, light-blocking solution for your headset, this protective skin is a must-have. What people say. The headset itself is comfortable to wear, even for extended periods, thanks to its well-padded design and adjustable straps. Setup was surprisingly straightforward, and I was up and running in under 15 minutes. The included instructions were clear and concise. The visual clarity is impressive, with vibrant colors and sharp details that really immerse you in the virtual world. The 360-degree tracking is also remarkably accurate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.